Hi, Bella.
Hi. Well, you have to go.
You can't go too fast because then I can't even see you on my film. Watch out for other kids. I think he wants to follow you. I think he wants to be friendly riders, huh?
No. I'm not friends.
No? No friends? Maybe next time. Where are you riding to, Bella? Are you going all the way around the world? You're so fast! Slow down, Miss Bella. Come back. Whoa, here comes Speed Racer. I call this girl Hells Bells Bella. Bye. Whoa. Say bye. Blow a kiss to the camera. Say love you.
Love you.
Happy summertime.
Happy summertime.
What else are you gonna do today?
Nope.com.
Nope.com. What? So rude.
You gotta catch me.
Bye, Bella.
You gotta catch me.